Hey dolls, so I am back and this is going to be a video on this hair. Y'all see this color? This color is serving, okay? It's giving you ginger realness. So if y'all want to know where this hair is from, how I installed it, how I curled it, this melts, girl. Don't play, okay? Keep on watching. Okay, dolls, so this hair is from Beauty Forever Hair. I love Beauty Forever. I work with them plenty of times. So the box, really simple. I wrote on the inside so I'll know what the wig is. The hair came in a bag. And on here, I think this is a 26-inch. And I also got a little goodie bag as well as some wig caps. In the goodie bag, let me just show y'all real quick because they be giving you some extra little nice stuff. So I got an edge brush, great. And then I also got a pair of earrings and then a pair of lashes. So these are the lashes. And then these are the earrings. They do kind of drop. Let me just try to show y'all how they. Yeah, so this is how the earrings look. They was kind of like bunched up in there. But yeah, this is the earrings. These are cute. So that's real cute that they included some free gifts. But this is the hair. I'm not sure of the exact color, but I'm pretty sure this is like a ginger colored wig. Like this is kind of giving like a honey ginger kind of color. It's not totally orange, but it's giving like a brown ginger moment, if you will. So yeah, this hair came out super cute. You will see in the video how I curled it and then how I set it to go to sleep at night. It's the next day from when I actually filmed, because I did film me installing the hair and everything last night. So yeah, your girl woke up late, so I just had to take my rollers out, have my hair popping. I had already put on a fresh set of lashes, and as y'all know, your girl got her eyebrows microbladed, so it's giving makeup, no makeup, kind of like with a fresh face. So I didn't have time to do no makeup or nothing this morning. I didn't even get to do my mascara at the bottom because I was literally rushing out the door. But my hair was done. So you know, when your hair done, if everything else not all together but it still look kind of decent, you still feel good, like, you know. So yeah, this is how it came out. Super cute. The only thing I will say is that I don't really like how flexi rods dry your hair out. Like, I wish they had flexi rods that were satin. So I'm definitely on the lookout for those. Like, I've been looking online for like satin type of flexi rods, not just that one big piece. I need like multiples, like little regular flexi rods. If y'all know, let me know down below where I could get some from. But yeah, I feel like flexi rods kind of dry your hair out. And this hair is already like colored, so that's not really a go. But other than that, the hair is fine. Like, I do feel like the hair was a little dry, so I did definitely add some oil to it and everything. But if you just curl the hair normally and then go, like you don't use the flexi rods at all, it won't dry the hair out like that. But it's really pretty. I love it. I got compliments on it. And yeah, the hair is slayed and laid and the part is bust down, baby. Okay, so stay tuned for the video. Okay, doll, so this is how the wig looks. You can see there are 2 combs at the top, and then there is 1 comb in the back with an adjustable strap. So I did already bleach and pluck this wig, and this color is really pretty. I really don't know what it's called. I need to pull it up on the website to see, but it is kind of giving like a ginger honey kind of vibe to me. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop the wig on and see what it's giving, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut off those extra pieces of lace on the sides. I did notice that on the sides, like the parts that came over the ears, it didn't have any hair. It was just extra lace there, so it didn't actually come down as much as I wanted it to, but it still worked out fine. Like, it didn't look like the wig was too small after I actually finished up doing this. And I ordered my normal size. I always get a small, and a small always works for me. If anything, it's a little big. So yeah, I don't know what was up with that, but it still worked out perfectly fine. So I'm gonna go in and just spray down the hairline, as well as I've had so many wigs from Beauty Forever and I've never had an issue with sizing. So I'm not sure why the hair didn't come all the way right on top of my ear like it normally does. But y'all will see. It will turn out just fine. But I just wanted to note that. So maybe on this wig, maybe size up. But then I'm not sure because maybe it might be too baggy on you. So I don't know. But yeah, so I'm just going to go in and spray the hairline down and then blow dry it on a cool setting. I did use my Even spray, the one in the black can. I've been loving this ever since I've got it. That is the only thing that I have been using for my installs because it's just so bomb. And I love whenever I pick up new products that I actually really like on my wigs because it just makes your installs so much fun, like to use a new product. And when it comes out bomb, it's like, yo, I found a gem. But everyone is already on this product. I didn't find it. So yeah, I'm going to go in and cut off the excess lace. And I did put 2 slits in the lace. And then I'm going to just cut off the middle section. My hand was kind of in the way for some of these clips. But y'all know how I do. I just use my really sharp, small scissors. These are sewing scissors. And I get as close to the hairline as possible. You will have to lift up on the lace in some parts because using a spray, it is going to run down some. So yeah, just lift up and then cut. Make sure to be really careful and not to cut your skin. These scissors are super, super sharp. Like even the ends are very pointy. So yeah, these scissors are bomb and I absolutely love them. These are my favorite scissors to use. Yeah, I probably know I use these all the time whenever I do my wigs. So I'm just cutting off all of that lace. So now we have removed the lace on one side and you can see what it's given. It's not all the way laid because we have to go back in and seal down the ends, but it still looks really nice already. And then I'm going to remove the excess spray that is on my hairline, just using some alcohol and wiping that off. And then I'm going to go back in with my spray and spray the hairline down so that everything can melt back in really, really nicely. And I'm using the same spray that I have used. So basically just this one product to actually lay the wig down. So once I do that, I go back in and blow dry it on a cool setting. And I'm also going to go ahead and put on my elastic band so that everything can melt into place really, really nicely. Elastic band is key. Like it definitely pushes your lace into your skin. So definitely get you one if you don't have one already. So yeah, once I do that, I blow dry it and then I went ahead and removed it. You can already see that it is laying in really nicely. The lace is matching pretty well. So I'm going to go in and do some baby hair. So you can see there I did a little swoop over my sideburn, and then I decided to go in and start curling the hair because I didn't curl this hair previously before actually applying the wig like I normally do. I will go ahead and usually curl to save time, but I really didn't know what kind of style I was going to do with this wig, so I decided to put some curls in the hair, and I'm just using my regular curling iron. I believe this is like a 1-inch kind of size, but this one is actually like a wand curler, so you can take the barrels off and change them out. And it did come with like different curling iron clips and also like some curling wands as well. So I really like this set. I've had it for quite a while. I don't even know if the website is still up and running or if you can still pick this up, but I'll try to link it down below. If I forget, y'all remind me. If someone is looking for this set or if y'all are interested in it, let me know and I will try to find it and link it for y'all. But yeah, so this is how the curls look. It's definitely giving like candy curl kind of vibes. The curls are really tight and everything, but they look really, really pretty when you comb them out. So I'm just going to continue to curl up all of the hair. And then once I start working my way up to the top, I will go in and finish up my baby hairs. Usually I would do my baby hairs all at once and then go in and curl, but I really didn't know, you know, like what I wanted to do. At first I was thinking like a side part, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna do a middle part. So I'm doing a little swoop here, and then I ended up doing another little swoop here. So this is the extent of the baby hairs, well, for this side at least. And then I went in and matched it up on the other side and did the same exact thing. This is like my go-to natural kind of baby hairs, if you will, because this is like the kind that I normally do. And I also do these baby hairs like on my real hair as well whenever I have them out. So now you can see I've curled up all of the hair, and then I'm just going to use my fingers to kind of detangle and separate the curls. And then I'm also going to go in with my wide tooth comb and just comb it out and really give the hair the look that I'm going for. Now you can stop at this point after you have combed it out and styled the hair. But it was super late and it was nighttime when I actually did do this install, and I had to go and get my nails done the next morning. So I wanted my curls to last. A lot of times I will just clip the hair up and kind of hope that my curls, you know, preserve, and then just curl any pieces that need to be curled. But I was like, I'm going to put in some flexi rods so that the hair can have a lot of body and everything like that. So that's what I decided to do with this hair, which you will see in just a moment. But now I'm going to go in and define my parts. At first, I used my Ruby Kisses 3D Face Creator, which is basically a cream foundation. And I just put that in the part. I do like how this works. Before this hair, since it was like a lighter kind of color, I wanted my part to pop out more than what it was actually giving. So what I did was I just went in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm just going to use some of that to define the part even further, just depending on what color the hair is and, you know, what color you want your scalp color to be. You can use a foundation or a concealer or whatever that matches the tone that you are going for. So after I do so, I am going to take my wrapping mousse and just put that in the parting area so that those concealers and foundation can melt into the actual lace. And then I also did kind of define and conceal the front parts of the wig as well, and I just used a powder to do so. So now I'm going to go in and actually flexi rod my hair. The hair and the curls were very pretty the way that they were, and I totally would have left it like this, but since I was going to bed, I needed to do something so that my curls would be popping in the morning. And I was really glad that I actually did, because I woke up late and I just didn't really have time to do anything. And at first I was going to just install my wig and curl it in the morning, like get up early and curl it. But I think this night I actually stayed up pretty late doing my wig, and I think I might have edited some videos or something as well. So I went to sleep super late, woke up late, and I was still good to go because my hair was pretty much done. I just had to take the rollers out and do my finishing touches to walk out the door. And y'all, let me tell y'all, after I did all of this and I was rushing, how about when I was on my way, my nail lady told me to come later than my appointment time. So I'm like, yo, I had extra time. I could have, you know, put myself together better, and more so just took my time. I wouldn't have had to jump up and rush, because it's a struggle sometimes, like getting yourself together and your baby. Like, we not walking out the house looking crazy, okay? So now that I have slept overnight, this is how the curls look. This also gives your hair a really nice, pretty curl if you just put the flexi rods in for a couple of hours. Let's say you're getting ready to go to a party or some kind of event or whatever the case may be. You can put your flexi rods in for just a couple of hours and it will give your hair more volume and body. But I did sleep in mine overnight. And like I said, flexi rods do dry your hair out. It doesn't matter even if your hair is a darker color, but since this hair is colored, I feel like it really made the hair kind of feel more dry. So I did go in with lots of oil and serum in my hair just to give the hair some shine, because the hair is colored and it's just more dry naturally. But also the flexi rods do dry your hair out. I don't know why that is. I guess it's the material that they're made out of. So for real, if y'all know of any flexi rods that are satin, let me know, because I was looking on Amazon and I couldn't find any that were long and made like how flexi rods are. I think I saw some rollers that were satin, but they were smaller. So yeah, this is how the hair is looking when I'm combing it out, and you can kind of see how it's looking a little bit frizzy. That's because the hair is a little bit more dry from the flexi rods and everything. So I just added in more oil wherever I seen fit. Well, serum, it's not really oil, it's a serum, so it is more lightweight. It's not gonna weigh the hair down or anything. And then I'm just gonna do my finishing touches using my hot comb and everything like that. And in the next clips, you will see how the hair looks at the end of the day. So the curls lasted and everything like that. Of course they dropped. It's not gonna stay this curly. But I was outside, so in the humidity and the wind and all of that kind of stuff, you know, the curls tend to drop more. But yeah, it turned out super cute. If y'all have questions, leave them down below. Stay tuned for the outro. Okay, guys, so this is the completed look of the hair. It's actually the next day, the next night, because it's already the end of the day now when I'm just filming my intro and outro. But I love the hair. It turned out so cute. I really love it, and it really popped with like the all white today. Well, I did like white and navy, so yeah, it's so pretty. I really love this install. And yeah, it's just super laid. Like, I'm loving my new techniques and methods. Like, I feel like it's stuff that I've already been doing, but I'm just like improving and learning more stuff. Like, all of my wigs been coming out bomb, like all of them that I've been doing lately. So love it. And if y'all have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.